Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, Portrait HDR for dramatic lighting. Open your portrait in Photoshop, then duplicate the layer to protect original data. Navigate to the HDR toning menu and choose high details to sharpen features, reduce edge glow to keep highlights natural, and also raise detail for crisp skin texture, and also adjust gamma to sculpt the mid tones, lower highlights to avoid shiny skin, and raise exposure only slightly, increase vibrance for natural skin tone, reduce saturation tone, down redness, add clarity through extra detailing, feather the edges using a mask, blend at 70% for